guys, welcome back to Forever Best Friends. If you're new, her name is
Sophia, but they call me Sophie.
and my name's Genesis, but they call me Jenny. Today we are going to be doing Fix This Slime Challenge! If you don't know how this works, it's basically you take a slime, which our slime is a fluffy, unicorn fluffy slime, which is not the best. It's very
Ugly and disgusting.
and very gooey.
And it feels really weird.
Yeah. So you basically turn this slime into a cute slime. And there's a small twist. We're going to try to make it very tiny that could fit into this container. Which this container, tell them how small it is.
It's like this small.
Look how small it is. It's very small.
Nobody can
It's
put
like
a slime in
it's
here.
like not even the size of my hand.
It looks like a Play-Doh container.
It does. So let's take the slime out.
I'm really nervous about the slime
It's
because.
gooey.
Okay, can I see it fall?
Okay, let's see if it falls. Let me just.
Oh, I feel really bad for you. I'm gonna help you a little. I barely touch it, and I need to help her, so. Because this slime cannot come out by itself. Ooh, look.
Okay.
It looks like a.
Looks like poop. Unicorn poop.
Ew. That actually is it's actually like a doll or something.
Okay. So it's very not stretchy.
It's not stretchy, but it is kind of pokey.
So we're gonna go get our ingredients, guys, okay?
Bye.
Bye. We're back with our ingredients. So my ingredients are, I'm going for a watermelon theme. So I got, if you can't see, I got green glitter and red glitter. I got green foam beads and red foam beads. And last but not least, to top it off, as a watermelon charm. And I also got this gold paper. I forgot what's it called. You'll see once we go.
And my ingredients are, well, we're going to share the lotion.
Yeah, we're going to share this, a very nice lotion. And we're going to share activator.
And also, I got these two glitters. If you can't see, they're hot pink and silver. And rainbow foam beads. And these fish foam beads.
No, fishbowl beads.
Sorry. And this white glitter.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's like sticky. It's a white glitter, as you can see. And we're going to, as we said, we're going to be sharing the lotion and activator. So we're going to split it. Let's make sure it fits in our container. Get your part, and I'll get my part.
Okay, I hope I can make this.
Yeah,
If it
this
was
is a very sticky and a very gooey.
okay, I
Okay, I
can get a little
think
small.
mine is it.
This is too small. Ew, this gets really sticky sometimes.
Yeah, I get the very gooey. Okay, let's put the rest back. And we're going to save the rest for another video.
Okay, so I have to finish mine because I'm really slow at doing stuff. So don't mind me. Just look at Genesis.
Why me? Call me Jenny.
Okay.
Don't call me
Jenny.
Genesis, Sophie.
Okay, Jenny.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I'm going to start fixing this slime.
I'm gonna start with I don't know what
I think I'm going to start
with.
putting lotion in.
Okay, I'll do the same as you.
Copycat, you can't copy me.
Yes, I can.
No, she can't, right, guys? Like this video if you think that she can't copy me.
If you think
you
she
have a
can, if you think I can, then subscribe and hit the notification button and hit that ringy dingy dingy bell.
So you won't miss any of our videos.
Ooh, this one got little stretchy.
I feel like this slime is very jiggly, actually.
I feel like this is a good jiggly slime.
It's a very weird slime.
I think I'm fixing it already.
If you haven't checked out our first video, go check it out
Before watching this video.
so you could know what our channel is going to be all about.
And so you can understand what our channel's about.
That's what I said.
I
Look,
know.
Look. Let's just hear this satisfying noise.
Okay,
This is
guys,
so
this is
nice.
kind of still gooey, but
This is, for me, it's sticky. I'm going to make it very hard.
I'm gonna make mine stretchy but not super sticky. I'm not really a fan of sticky slime.
I bet she isn't.
I'm not. You already know me. Do you? Oh, this got
We're
sticky.
best friends, so why wouldn't I know you?
Of course. Well, yeah, I didn't know you when I first met you.
Well, duh.
You look kind of jealous for me.
Mm-hmm.
But you weren't jealous. We actually wear the same dress when it was my first day at church.
Yeah.
We didn't even
Oh
know
yeah, if you don't know, we're Christian.
Yeah.
Which is basically we believe in God.
You have to believe in God.
You don't have to.
Well, that's what makes me happy.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start adding my foam bead because
I'm gonna start
why
adding
not?
my fish.
So I'm not gonna add all of them, or my sun's gonna become very dry and it's not gonna fit in the container.
Okay,
So basically, whoever wins is. This is how you win. If it doesn't overflow in the container, then you win. Overflow means it doesn't go over the container. So if it's more than this small container, then you lose. If it's less and if it's perfectly, then you pass.
What
Because
happens
why
if
not?
it's less?
Then you pass and you win. And if we both do that, then we're gonna. I
Go to
don't
the
know. We're
next
gonna have to
round.
bring a very strict judge.
Alright, I think I'm done putting.
Should it be your brother? I mean, my brother or your sister?
I feel like my sister, but at the same time, it's because my sister knows more slime than your brothers.
Yeah, true. Yeah, we should bring your special sister that loves, well, not loves slime. If you don't know, she has 2 sisters and I have 2 brothers.
And it's like, and we're the smallest.
Yeah, that means to get spoiled.
Yeah.
You get spoiled with toys.
And we can get scared. That's why they don't show us anything.
They show me everything.
They don't show
Okay,
me
guys. We might be the worst.
Little sisters.
No, we might be the worst best friends. Well, not worst. We might be the worst combination best friends, if you know what I mean. She's 8 and I'm 10.
And I like pink and she likes yellow.
She likes very sweet stuff and I like salty stuff.
And I love jumping and having
And
fun.
then-
And she likes like drawing.
Laying down, sleeping,
yeah, she
not
doesn't-
jumping.
No, she of course. But we have at least something in common. We both like to draw. I mean, we draw.
No, we love slime.
Yeah, we both love slime. But when it comes to fixing it, it has to be non-sticky.
So make sure you stay weird, like us.
What?
Yeah, you have to stay weird.
Okay, I'm gonna say weird.
I feel like the combination that I'm doing is at Christmas. It looks like Christmas. Look,
It
guys.
does.
Kind of looks like Christmas.
Mine looks like a rainbow theme.
This is gonna be a very purple.
Mine looks like a
Watermelon.
fish rainbow. It's like a rainbow fish mixed with slime because it got.
What theme are you going for?
I'm going for a rainbow theme, but it's not gonna be super rainbow.
I'm going for a watermelon theme.
Of course.
Duh, why wouldn't I?
Yeah, because you love watermelons. Well, she doesn't really love.
I won't eat them often.
I like watermelon, but if it's too much, then I'm not. Hey, we're both adding glitter.
Haha, 20s.
Oh yeah, we do have something in common. At least something. We both like to write a story.
I don't know. She likes to write stories. I like to write songs.
I'm not really into songs because I'm not really good at writing songs.
Yeah, so
But I
she's good
found-
at writing books,
And I've done a bunch of books. Like I've made books.
and I have wrote a bit of songs because I barely started not that long ago. So that's one reason why.
That's why we should do like a video.
We should do a video a day in our lives, which that's gonna be hard because we live in separate houses. We have separate families.
Yeah. And also, if you watch our first video already and subscribed, that was my house when we were in
Yeah.
my toy room, and now we're in her room.
Yeah, which we're in a very squish corner.
Well, at least we have the door by us, you know. Yeah, we have the fresh air, which I don't like.
Yeah, the AC is like right there. We won't show you guys because the room is a bit messy and you don't want to see messy.
Yeah, you don't guys. If you guys like messy, I am shocked.
Shocked.
Yeah, sorry.
Mrs.
did I
You're
do?
spilling it. You're spilling all the glitter.
No, I didn't.
Here. Don't stand up. Here. here.
Okay.
Just spilled it everywhere.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna fix our slimes now. You know, I'm gonna.
Oh my goodness, you spilled it everywhere. Look how glittery my hand is.
Look if you guys could see, my hand is super glittery.
You can definitely see that.
Okay, mine's gonna be super glittery.
I could tell.
And it's gonna start spilling everywhere.
Oh no.
How much? I love when it's like really soft, but I don't like it hard because when it's soft, that means like it can get hard really easy.
This is a very nice slime, actually. Yeah,
I'm really bad at making swirls, you guys. So
I'm the best at making swirls.
she can make like I don't know what it's called, but she can make like a 3D swirl.
An Instagram swirl.
Yeah, and she even has an Instagram. Well, not an Instagram, but like she has like this like camera that you can take pictures, and it actually shows like it's like a paper, but it's not paper.
I don't
It's
think.
Dex camera.
Okay, don't tell them. Don't tell them.
I'm getting that for my birthday.
Don't tell them.
Oh yeah, I'm 8, so my birthday just passed. It was April 8,
And mine is December 9. We're giving too much information. Maybe we're gonna do.
a secret video.
No, we're gonna do
I still can't believe
a lot of stuff you didn't know about us. I think I'm gonna start putting this in here because I'm almost done.
I'm gonna put more glitter.
Because if you didn't know, we put a timer for 10 minutes. It's just almost past 10 minutes. We only have a few seconds left.
Yeah.
Like 45 seconds, I'm not sure.
The thing is that the pink didn't spill all over, and the silver.
Okay. My slime's gonna be the best.
My slime's gonna be cute. I mean, it's gonna be super glittery. That's what I like about
Oh
slime.
no, this is not looking too good.
Okay, mine's not looking super good, but
Mine's gonna look better than yours, definitely.
it's okay. I'm not really thinking of that. I don't care because mine's gonna be the glitteriest, the
And
shiniest.
make sure it fits in the container.
I made sure already.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Oh no, we only have 15 seconds left.
What?
We only have 15 seconds.
Put too much glitter.
No, we're just gonna put the lid. We only have 5 seconds. 5, 4. And then I'm done.
Okay,
Stop.
Okay, I'm done. I just need to
Okay.
put the lid. Oh my
Okay.
God. Whew. Can I put
So-
the lid though?
No, we're gonna show them our slimes.
So, I didn't have time to mix mine enough.
Me neither. So this is my slime. I went with a watermelon theme.
Mine,
So
you can't
now-
really see the glitter.
So now it's time to mix the gold.
This is gonna look really shiny.
It's not gonna look too shiny.
I wish I got that, and then I could put the glitter, and then like it will look super shiny and glittery. That's what I would like this slime to look. I wish we could change the color, you know.
Yeah, maybe I might buy food coloring.
I have the color, so we could have done this in my house, but you know, I had to come over to your house.
You didn't have to. You could stay at home.
You're my
Yeah,
best
you have to
friend.
stay at home. Coronavirus.
But I know that you don't have the color.
Just kidding, guys. We made sure we didn't have coronavirus so we could be with each other.
And plus, our parents have known each other since
Since 5 years ago,
yeah. We met each other since we were like at
I was about
Like-
7.
and I was like
No, I was 6.
yeah, and I was like 5.
No, you were. No. 7 and she was 5. Yeah,
Yeah, I was 5.
I think.
And then I was like super shy when I went to church. I'm like, no, I don't want to go to church. I'm like,
Okay,
'cause
guys, I'm done.
I'm going to put mine in here because it feels really good now.
Okay, overall, I'm gonna have to say, who changed the slime more? Comment down below.
I feel like I did.
What's this piece?
Ooh.
Ooh, it feels very nice. I
It's
think
mine. It has glitter.
we both added glitter, and you didn't add. Come on, let's put it back. She's trying to cheat.
I'm not cheating, guys.
So could you open it? My hands are very slippery.
I thought. I
Okay, we're having
can't.
trouble. Okay, here, let me open it. Here.
I popped my wrist.
Okay, we went from this right here, and I went from this to this. I mean, this for this.
I went to this. Oh, wait.
She went from this to that. Comment down below who's, if the comments are turned on, whose is better. And if you like Sophia's, make sure you like this video. If you like mine, make sure you subscribe.
And if you like both of ours, hit that dingy 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 bell.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Until the next vlog.